The 2021 Mazda CX-5 infotainment system has experienced widespread issues affecting thousands of owners worldwide. These problems range from complete system failures to intermittent glitches that can be frustrating and costly to repair. To understand these issues, we need to examine the technical architecture. The Mazda Connect system is built on a Linux-based operating system powered by an ARM processor, integrating multiple vehicle systems including audio, navigation, climate control, and diagnostics. The most common issues owners experience include a black screen on startup, complete audio system failure, unresponsive touchscreen, system freezing, Bluetooth connectivity problems, and navigation malfunctions. These symptoms can occur individually or in combination. These problems typically stem from three primary root causes. Software corruption is the most common, often triggered by interrupted updates or power fluctuations. Hardware overheating occurs when the processor gets too hot in extreme temperatures. Memory issues involve corruption of RAM or storage that affects system stability. These issues have persisted since the vehicle's initial release and continue to affect owners into 2025. While Mazda has released software updates to address some problems, issues can still occur, particularly after extreme temperature changes or system updates. Understanding these patterns can help you identify when problems might arise. Before seeking expensive professional help, basic troubleshooting techniques can potentially resolve many of these issues and save you hundreds of dollars in diagnostic fees. Understanding the problem is the first step toward finding an effective solution. When your Mazda Connect system isn't responding, there are 4 reset procedures you can try, starting with the simplest and progressing to more advanced methods. Step 1 is the soft reset. Turn off your vehicle completely, wait 30 seconds, then restart. This simple procedure resolves about 25% of minor glitches. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset. Press and hold the back, mute, and nav buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black. This method has a 60% success rate for software-related issues. For persistent software issues, perform a master reset through the Settings menu. Navigate to System, then Master Reset. This factory reset has a 75% success rate, but will require you to reconfigure all your settings. If software resets fail, try a fuse-based reset. Remove fuse number 29 for audio and fuse number 41 for navigation from the driver's side fuse box. Wait 10 minutes, then reinstall them. This method has a 50% success rate for hardware-related issues. Owner forums report that about 40% of infotainment issues can be resolved through these DIY procedures. If all reset methods fail, professional software reflashing costs $150 to $300, while hardware replacement ranges from $800 to $1,500.